My name is Akoko Nengi, but you can call me Mr. Nengi. My code is 003AO, and the name of my school is Golden Citadel International School. And today I'll be taking science, and the topic is matter. Okay, so I know you saw a lot of things, right? So can you mention one or two things you saw in the classroom?
Ceiling.
Ceiling, good. Any other one? The book, the bottle, good job. All of those things you saw in the class, they are called matter. They are called what? Matter. And these relate to our topic for today, which is matter. Now, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. And matter have three states. There are three states of matter. The first one is solid. Everybody say solid. Solid. I want you to do your hands like this. Say solid. Solid. And who can give me an example of a solid around you? And solid? Your bottle. Good. Okay. So now let me tell you something about solid. Solid are things that you can see and you can hold. Anything you can see and you can hold. Like this rubber is a solid. And the second state of matter is liquid. Do as I do. Liquid. Now let me tell you something about liquid. Liquid are things that you can see, you can touch it, but you cannot hold it. It can also flow. Now look at this. I have a liquid in my bowl. I can see it. I can touch it. I can hold it. I can't hold it. Do you want to try? Do you want to try? All right, nice one, good. So, and the third state of matter is gas. Say gas. Gas. Now let me tell you something about gas. Gas are things that you cannot see, you cannot touch, but you can feel it. Now I'm going to do your palm like this. Do your palm like this. Now blow air to your palm from your mouth. Can you see it? No. Can you touch it now? Blow again. Now close it. Close it. Open it. Do you see anything? No. Blow again. Can you feel it? Yes. So gas are things that you cannot see, you cannot touch, but you can feel it. So I have a magic trick for you today. Are you ready? All right. When I turn this balloon here, you will see something will happen. Are you ready? All right. Wow. Wow. This what just happened.
No.
The liquid mixed with the solid inside the balloon, and because there was no space for the air to go away, it now entered into the balloon, and that's why we have air and the balloon. And the example of solid we have here is a vinegar. It is used for baking. And the solid we have here is a baking soda. It's also used for your baking. So when the two comes together, it produces a gas. Are you excited? If you're excited, give me a rolling clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go. Damn, good job. So I have a question for you. What is matter? Anyone? Good. Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Thank you very much. So I want you to take this for being a good boy and good girl. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Will you do something for me again? You do something for me again? All together, we're going to pop the balloon together. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2. Just stick forward a little bit. 1, 2. Let's pop it. Woo! We saw glitters, right? Because you're wonderful children. Thank you very much.
We want to tap into every domain, every area, and see what we can build up.
in the matters you have done clearly. You have made it simple. You've made matters simple. You got the bowl of water. You demonstrated that you cannot hold it. You even asked the students to do the same as well. If the students were here, they would have done it. But we're not your students. And so every step of the way, you practicalized it.
Mr. Nengi, I enjoyed it. I mean, your lesson is always probably one to look forward to. Bring your instructional material. I love the experiment. Wonderful experiment I put. So for instructional material, just straight off 10. Wonderful brief experiment I put. So well done. A lot of what you're looking a bit very. I like the way you sound. Even when they were giving you positive feedback, you were like, what's coming? Where's the button? I'm glad that you laughed. So this particular lesson was for which class?
Grade 2.
As in year 2?
Yes, sir.
People who were like 6?
Yes, sir, 6 to 7.
6, 7. Okay. And then, yeah, it's there. But the key thing is that you said solid, and then you start to say what it was. You see? Okay, maybe you could have had some, the powder that you emptied out into the bottle, maybe you could have had some in dry version in a little sauce. So you would have said, this is exactly what do you think this is? Is this a solid? Is this a liquid? Is this a gas? In the context of this lesson. So you have these things there. Use it. So baking soda, that's what it's called. Would you say this is a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Of course, you have some dry stuff, so use powder. Yes. Then you have to sort that out with him or her. Okay, but a lot of good things went on in that lesson. I'm just trying to see the things I'm telling you a little. And then you said, this was your entry behavior, which I couldn't score you too many high marks for. You said, discuss among yourself. But you could have still used it. Yeah? Discuss aspects. Well, you didn't say discuss amongst yourself. You just, what was it? What did you tell us to do?
Look around you and tell me what you can see in the classroom.
Look around you, and in a moment I'm going to ask you what you can see. But you see, to look around, they're just going to do that for 5 seconds. You maybe half a minute to write on the board. So you actually looked around, discuss with the partner next to you, discuss on your table. What are some of the things you have seen? And I'm going to come back and ask you which you think it might be in terms of in relation to this lesson. Always use what's around you. Always use the good things you're prepared.
Teacher me, my teacher.